Alright, so here's a 68. He was breaking it down, taking the roof off, getting it down to the rear quarters. I don't know if you can see that too well. But as you can see, tons of rust. Under the drip rail got to be cut out. This whole piece has to be just completely replaced. Just a note, when I bought this, it looked fantastic. Pretty much just goes to show you, you know, what's underneath is something that you have to take a look at better. This is all screwed in. You couldn't even take the time to do the work correctly. See how pitted that is. This is all that's left of that pillar. This all has to be removed. This is another patch that they put in here. Squared it off and put a patch, then tack welded here to keep this together, which obviously is the wrong way to do it. This all has to be removed. Try to get back at it. See how far we can get after tearing it down as much as we did. Just doing a little by little on the weekends. I'll check in with an update soon.